There's a nerve they call the wandering kind, running from the body to the mind, past the lungs and through the heart below, speaking in a language we don't always know. It isn't just emotion, isn't just stress, it's the way the whole system responds to threat. A communication line built to restore, to tell the body you don't have to war. When survival becomes the normal state, the nervous system starts to compensate. The vagus nerve, the healing line, a bridge between the body and the mind, slowing the pulse, softening defense, teaching the system safety again. Vagal tone, the signal grows, the more the body learns it can let go. The wandering nerve quietly says you are safe enough to rest. The nervous system's bigger than one road, but this one carries a heavy load. Part of the parasympathetic stream, the place where recovery begins to breathe. Rest and digest, repair and restore. Not every sound is danger anymore. Inflammation settles, muscles release, the body remembers the shape of peace. We were designed to live alone. The vagus helps return us from the dark. The vagus nerve, the healing line, bridge between the body and the mind, slowing the pulse, softening defense, teaching the system safety again. Vagal tone built over time through repetition, rhythm, breath and light. The wandering nerve calling us home, back into regulation. Cold water on the face, deep breathing through the diaphragm. Humming, singing, human touch, nature walks and slowing down. Sleep restoration, minerals and hydration, biofeedback frequencies, and mindful observation. Not a magic cure, not overnight, but a pathway teaching the body it no longer has to fight. The nervous system listens to every environment, every relationship, every thought, every moment, and the vagus responds to the question underneath it all: am I safe here? Am I safe here? The vagus nerve, the body's guide, helping us return to life inside. Not survival, not collapse, but resilience that keeps building back. The signal changes cell by cell, the body learns the world is not a shell. The wandering nerve softly restores what chronic stress ignored. Breathe lower, jaw unclenched, heart steadier, mind less tense. The body was never broken, just trying to protect you for